Press the on-off button to turn it on. The default cooking temperature is 350, the fan is on, the top and bottom heat is on, and the Smart 12 presets for daily use. The cooking temperature range is from 450 degrees to 50 degrees, the default cooking time is 15 minutes, and the cooking time range is from 1 minute to 99 hours to 99 minutes. An on and off will clear the settings, pressing start pause will start cooking. The default fan speed is 3. 0 means the fan is off, and you can select fan speed from 1, 2, 3. The warm button will keep the food warm after cooking. The default warm temperature is 140 degrees, you can select from 50 to 200 degrees. The default time is 1 hour, you can select from 1 minute to 3 hours. Let me show you how it works. For example, let's say I want to cook at 375 for 10 minutes. And I press 1 because I want to hold that at 130 for an hour. I press start. Now it's cooking at 375 for 10 minutes. And when the cooking timer runs out, it automatically goes to warm, and it will hold the warm temperature at 130 degrees for 1 hour. The top bottom button lets you divide the 100% heat between the top and bottom. The top heat is adjustable from 100% to 0%. 0 means no heat. The bottom heat is also adjustable from 100% to 0%. For example, if I set the bottom to 50%, when cooking begins, the Bravo will cook at the default temperature of 350 degrees for 15 minutes. The top heater will use 50% of its heat, while the bottom heater will also use 50%. Menu. When you select the menu, you can choose one of the 12 presets. Each preset is tailored to cook exact temperature and time. It's a one-touch operation linked to true automation cooking. Don't want to hear all those beeps? You can mute your Bravo toaster by pressing and holding the start pause button. And press and hold again to unmute. New Wave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.